Hi, good morning and welcome to Breakfast with Active Art. This morning I will be making some tea, and I think I'm going to use a experiment with the Dutch pour kind of technique that I've been playing with. And actually I'm going to need to move this brown. I was trying to give you a nice clean pretty thing, but to use the spinner I can't use that. And this Dutch pour thing I've been working with uses the spinner. Alright, so with green, gotta have a little bit of green tea, and I'm gonna mix it with, of course, some brown that has some gold in it. There's already a base coat of white on there, so I'm kind of hoping the colors will mix a little bit to give different shades of brown. You need some lemon in your tea. Maybe it's lemongrass tea. Alright. And of course, let's see. Let's try that. I'll put a little more white on there. Let me put the top back on the white. You ever go into a restaurant and go to use the salt and pepper and someone's loosened the top of the shaker? That just about happened here. Okay, some here. And oh, I was going to use a little bit of this. It's real watery, but a little bit of this lighter green to go with some herbal tea, I guess. Really, you could use just about any color for tea. You know, they've got so many different wonderful flavors. Do you have a flavor of tea that you love? Okay, so what goes on with this, with my, instead of just using a blow dryer or anything, or just a straw, or just blowing it out, I'm going to spin it as I blow it and see what kind of effect it will have. Let's see. Do another little bit here. Not quite how I wanted it. Well, it is starting to mix. I'm not sure it's mixing the way I wanted it to. So let's put a little more green. Yellow. White. That's not one.
Sometimes I want to run
away. Alright, so let's start that over. Sorry about that, but your order of tea will be up in a moment. Alright. So, let's start with the white. Put a little gray in there, a little Earl Grey. Get that mixed around. Okay. I was trying to go with a simpler, elegant look, but I think I put too much. I think I put too much paint on it. I probably have too much paint on it this time. We'll see. Yellow, green. Oh, I had brown up there too. Just use this. There we go. We're starting to get some cells. Alright. Let's see what else we got going on in here. Actually looking closer to what I had planned, and of course it's not focusing, but hopefully I'll get a picture of it before breakfast is served. If not, it'll be up on my Instagram at Active Art Passions. Alright, so I hope you enjoy your cup of tea today. Have a great day out there.